Your things are all here. Your things are all here. Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk? Would you ask him to come here? Would you ask him to come here? Will you remind me? Will you remind me? Will you hand me a towel, please? Will you hand me a towel, please? Why aren't you going? Why aren't you going? Whose book is that? Whose book is that? Who's that man over there? Who's that man over there? Who would you like to speak to? Who would you like to speak to? Who was your teacher? Who was your teacher? Who sent this letter? Who sent this letter? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? Which school does he go to? Which school does he go to? Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper? Which one is the best? Which one is the best? Which one is better? Which one is better? Which is better, the spaghetti or chicken salad? Which is better, the spaghetti or chicken salad? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the closest pharmacy here? Where is the closest pharmacy here? Where is there an ATM? Where is there an ATM? Where is she from? Where is she from? Where does your girlfriend work? Where does your girlfriend work? Where did you work before you work here? Where did you work before you work here? Where can I mail this? Where can I mail this? Where can I exchange US dollars? Where can I exchange US dollars? When will it be ready? When will it be ready? When is the next bus to Makati? When is the next bus to Makati? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When does the plane arrive? When does the plane arrive? When does the bank open? When does the bank open? When does he arrive? When does he arrive? When do you get off work? When do you get off work? When did you arrive in Boston? When did you arrive in Boston? When did this happen? When did this happen? When are you going to pick up your friend? When are you going to pick up your friend? When are they coming? When are they coming? What's the name of the company you work for? What's the name of the company you work for? What will the weather be like tomorrow? What will the weather be like tomorrow? What time is check out? What time is check out? What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start? Stop. What time do you go to work every day? What time do you go to work every day? What time are you going to bus station? What time are you going to bus station? What time are they arriving? What time are they arriving? What should I wear? What should I wear? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? What is the area code? What is the area code? What does your father do for work? What does your father do for work? What does this mean? What does this mean? What do your parents do for work? What do your parents do for work? What do you think of these shoes? What do you think of these shoes? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do they study? What do they study? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? What day are they coming over? What day are they coming over? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? What are you two talking about? What are you two talking about? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight? Were you at the library last night? Were you at the library last night? We'll have 2 glasses of water, please. We'll have 2 glasses of water, please. We have 2 boys and 1 girl. We have 2 boys and 1 girl. Turn around, turn around. Those men are speaking English. Those men are speaking English. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. They're planning to come next week. They're planning to come next week. They haven't met her yet. They haven't met her yet. These books are ours. These books are ours. There's plenty of time. There's plenty of time. There has been a car accident. There has been a car accident. The roads are slippery. The roads are slippery. The book's on the top of the table. The book is on the top of the table. The book is next to the table. The book is next to the table. The book is near the table. The book is near the table. The book is behind the table. The book is behind the table. The accident happened at the intersection. The accident happened at the intersection. That's not fair. That's not fair. That restaurant is not expensive. That restaurant is not expensive. Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Sorry, I think I have the wrong number. Sorry, I think I have the wrong number. Someone does that for me. Someone does that for me. She's older than me. She's older than me. She wants to know when you're coming. She wants to know when you're coming. Please write it down. Please write it down. Please take off your shoes. Please take off your shoes. Please speak slower. Please speak slower. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Please count this for me. Please count this for me. Our children are in Manila. Our children are in Manila. One way or round trip? One way or round trip? One ticket for New York, please. One ticket for New York, please. On the second floor. On the second floor. Now or later. Now or later. Nobody's there right now. Nobody's there right now. Nobody's helping us. Nobody's helping us. My watch has been stolen. My watch has been stolen.